Welcome. You've landed in a space where we turn life's challenges into opportunities. If you're feeling overwhelmed by chaos in your life, you're in the right place. Let's talk about how to find clarity amidst the noise. Life can feel overwhelming at times, can't it? When chaos surrounds us, everything seems urgent, noisy, and out of control. But even in the most turbulent times, it's possible to find clarity. So, how do we do that? The first step is to pause and breathe. When everything feels chaotic, our instinct is to rush into action. But often, the best thing we can do is stop for a moment. Take a deep breath and allow yourself to step back. In that stillness, clarity begins. Next, focus on what matters most. Chaos can make every problem seem equally important, but that's rarely the case. Ask yourself, what truly needs my attention right now? Prioritize the essentials and let go of the rest, even temporarily. By narrowing your focus, you can create a sense of order. Practice mindfulness. Whether it's through meditation, journaling, or simply being present, mindfulness helps quiet the noise in your mind. It anchors you in the present moment, freeing you from the weight of past regrets or future anxieties. Lastly, trust yourself. Chaos often brings self-doubt, but remember, you've faced challenges before and come through them. You have the strength and wisdom to navigate this too. Trust your instincts, your experience, and your ability to move forward. In conclusion, finding clarity in chaos isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about finding calm within yourself. By pausing, prioritizing, practicing mindfulness, and trusting yourself, you can transform confusion into clarity and challenges into opportunities. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Remember, clarity is always within you. You just need to look.